Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we're north on Las Vegas Strip. We're gonna visit the Peppermill restaurant. More of a fancy diner, but an iconic place to eat nonetheless. Not as iconic as I made it out in a previous video, however. I mentioned that Marilyn Monroe ate here with the Rat Pack, and it was actually built in 1972, long after Marilyn Monroe was gone. But however, Dean Martin, Frank Sinatra, Jerry Lewis, Guy Fieri, Chris Angel, Floyd Merriweather, Penn Jillette, and a whole bunch of other celebrities and iconic people mentioned that this is one of their favorite places to stop off in Vegas for a bite. So let's step inside and grab something to eat. So I got a great booth here at the Peppermill with a view of pretty much the entire dining room. And we're going to check out the menu now. This is the Peppermill Restaurant Fireside Lounge. Let's check out what they have to offer. And as you can see, there's big breakfast offerings here at the Peppermill, including Eggs Benedict, one of their specialties, which is 3 poached eggs and grilled Canadian bacon on toasted English muffin, topped with hollandaise sauce and served with hash browns. That's $17. Most of the breakfasts here are between $15 and $20. What really impressed me about the menu is the appetizer section, and when I'm with a group of people, sometimes I just like to order a whole bunch of appetizers and we just kind of pass everything around. Some of the things here are nachos, flame-broiled sliders, the Peppermill sampler, which is shrimp, chicken fingers, mozzarella sticks, bruschetta, onion rings, a whole bunch of stuff all on one plate. They have a whole bunch of sliders, including burger sliders and chicken sliders, and tons of sandwiches, but what I came here for is a burger. I'm going to order the barbecue cheddar burger, which is flame broiled with bacon, barbecue sauce, and cheddar cheese stacked on a golden onion ring. And the Peppermill is known for their steaks, including the New York steak and shrimp scampi for $36. They have a broiled ribeye steak, which is, from what I understand, really good, and a New York steak with fettuccine, all for $36. But I'm here around noon. I'm very hungry because I did a lot of walking already, but a little too early for those steaks and a little too late for those breakfasts. So I'm going to have my barbecue bacon cheddar burger. Well done, please, with a side of fries and a unsweetened iced tea. Here's a look at the Peppermill's Fancy-Schmancy Cocktails. By the way, some of the movies and TV shows that have filmed inside the Peppermill include Casino, Showgirls, The Cotton Club, The Holly Madison Show, MTV Spain, and Giada at Home. Why a show called Giada at Home would be filmed at the Peppermill is beyond me.
This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video.
And just a quick walk around the restaurant before we leave, and I have to say this place has a fantastic bar. It's known for the bar. As a matter of fact, it's voted one of the best happy hours on the Las Vegas Strip. And once again, a shout out to Wise Malik, who spotted Mitzi the Rubber Ducky Showgirl in the Las Vegas Neon Museum video that came out last week. And that's it, a short one today, guys, but stay tuned, lots more Vegas coming up. Coming up next on the New York channel, we're going to visit the MGM Grand, one of the biggest hotels to open up post-COVID, along with the Bellagio, Caesars, Flamingo, and Harrah's. So we're going to check that place out next. So stay tuned, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.